Welcome to our third and final segment on creating a fan. In this segment, we're going to join our surfaces together. OK. Preview and OK. Let's check it to be sure. Right-click, Hide Show. OK, we did indeed miss a piece. Let's double-click and select Fill 3. Now Preview and OK. Right-click, Show. Now let's go to the Part Design workbench. We'll use Body 3. Let's right-click, Define as an in-work object. Now insert Surface-Based Features, Close Surface. Let's select our join and click OK. Everything seems fine. Right-click on Geometrical Set 1 and hide it. Here we have our blade. Now we need to bring back the central hub. Right-click and Hide Show. Let's create a circular pattern now. View, Toolbars, Transformation Features. Activate the Circular Pattern tool. Under Reference Element, right-click and select the Z-axis. For the object to pattern, let's select the solid we just created. The number of instances, 8. Angular spacing, 45 degrees. Looks good. Preview. And OK. Let's unselect everything. Now View, Toolbars, Boolean Operations. Next, we'll perform an assembly. Assemble, select Body 3, and in the To field, select Body 2. Click Preview, and OK. OK, it's looking good. It's probably a good idea to put some fillets here. View, Toolbars, Dress Up Features. Let's select the Edge Fillet command. Five millimeters seems about right. Let's select these edges. Make sure you're selecting edges, not any faces. This one. Okay, I think that's the last one. Doesn't look like I missed any. Let's click Preview. Looks good. Click OK. And let's have a look. It looks like I selected a face by mistake. Let's deselect it. OK. And preview and OK. OK, looks good. And this completes our exercise on how to create a fan.